It's been 10 weeks since I've installed these mini braids on my hair in this mini braids challenge. I'm growing my natural hair, also using virgin hair fertilizer and clove. In today's video, I show you what my hair looks like after 10 weeks, all the growth I've received, and also showing you how I'm freshening up my braids. Welcome or welcome back to all my new and returning subscribers. I really appreciate each and every one of you that tune in to watch my videos. Your encouragement really means a lot to me and your support, so please give this video a like and comment down below if you're enjoying this series, and let me know any other video suggestions you have. So this is what my hair looks like. Quite scary, right? I'm going to be completely honest, if I didn't have this channel and make this commitment to you guys that I'm going to keep my hair in for 12 weeks, and I think I didn't stipulate at the start of the challenge I'll be redoing sections of my hair, I would have taken these braids out ages ago. Probably by about week 7, I was ready to take them down. But knowing I have this challenge, knowing I have accountability from you guys, I'm keeping them in. As you can see, my hair has grown a ton. It's really grown under there. You can see that, and my hair is starting to look like I'm really on a long journey. If I'm completely honest, my hair looks like I'm on a free-form lock journey because some of the hairs down there are starting to lock under each other, and I was supposed to take some of them out, but life got in the way, so they are still in. So in this video, I'm just gonna refresh the braids, and I have a lot of exciting content coming up. I'm thinking about doing something that I think you guys will really like, and so I'm just gonna show you today's video. So the first thing is, because my hair looks so dry, it was really crispy. It's the summertime in the UK and we're actually having a heat wave. We're gonna have a heat wave, so the air is really dry, and I gave in my previous video some reasons, some tips for looking after your natural hair in the summer months. And if you can go and check out that video, you will see some more detailed information on some of the tips that I might mention briefly in this video. So the very first thing I'm doing is I'm doing a hot oil treatment. In the bottle, there is olive oil and fenugreek heated up, and that is my hot oil treatment. I'm going to put this on my hair for 15 minutes just to get that moisture in. I told you in that video that pre-poo in your hair, like your wash day, is a really great way of getting moisture in your hair. So I'm going to do a little mini wash day. I've washed these braids at least 5 times. It's been very hot. I've got flare-ups on my scalp, so I've just been washing my hair whenever I felt like it, and I've not really been filming that, but in this I'm going to film a little bit. So I've got the hot oil on my scalp, and now I'm running it down the length of my hair. If you want to know more about this mixture, do go ahead and check out my DIY playlist. There are detailed information and lots of DIYs in there telling you how to use a Veda to grow your natural hair long, healthy and strong. So check that out. I do have this pre-poo mixture in that playlist. I will be doing a separate video talking about using virgin hair fertilizer for 10 weeks plus. So do look out for that video. This video is simply on my mini braids. As I've said previously, without any growth aid, if you add your hair in for 10 weeks, you would have been receiving a lot of growth. So you can grow your hair without growth aids, but I have been using growth aids to boost my growth. So then my feelings of being in mini braids for 10 weeks, the very first thing is the frizz. My hair looks absolutely messy, frizzy, and mainly I'm just wearing headbands and scarves and things to really hide my hair. I'm not showing off my hair, but I've got in mind that I am staying consistent. And I've got in mind that I've got options, and check out those 2 videos about consistency and about having options. Options at the moment is to cover my hair with scarf or anything that looks cute. And of course, I'm also wearing my trusted sun hat. So back to the video then. It is a wash day or a mini wash day. And I've got to say to you guys, I've been washing my hair every week for the last 4 weeks. So I co-wash my hair at least once a week just to get the moisture in, because it's so warm and so humid and so dry. I want to make sure that my hair is moisturized every week. And this week I'm trying out a new conditioner. It is from Eco Styler. So the Eco Styler conditioner was given to me by a friend, so I'm not quite sure what the price is. However, I think this is a great conditioner. It's very thick. It smells absolutely gorgeous. So well done, Eco Styler, for getting a smell that I've fallen in love with. And it's thick. It's really good for co-washing. After I put it on my hair, it says just to leave it in for 1 to 2 minutes. So I did that. I did follow the instruction on the packet, being quite skeptical about how much moisture it could get into my really dry mini braids. I really put a lot in there, as you saw the amount that I put in my hand, because my hair was really dry, and I saturated my hair from root to tip. So the conditioner says for healthy hair, it's important to use a good conditioner that's composed of formulas of natural ingredients and oils that nourish the scalp and the hair cuticle. This product is all you need for healthy hair. It's also paraben free, it's all natural, and it just, as I said, it smells absolutely divine. So it says that this extra rich, it really is really rich, it's really thick conditioner, tames and softens your hair with its unique blend of super fruit complexing. So that's why it smells divine. It's got lots of fruits in there. Eco Cocktail Conditioner penetrates the hair strands, gives it vitamins, proteins, infuses the hair shaft, smoothing the hair cuticle so that you can live without frizz. And if you are high porosity like myself, you know the benefits of smoothing down your cuticles. And this is what my hair was looking like afterwards. Okay, the direction for use says just to leave it in for 1 to 2 minutes for it to completely penetrate your hair strand and rinse as necessary. So that's all I did. And you saw my hair at the start and you've seen it now. It certainly looks a lot more moisturized, a lot more conditioned from this conditioner. So it would be something that I recommend using. I'm going to be doing it for more co-washes over the summer because it does give me such good results straight after 2 minutes. And I like something that works really quickly. So back to mini braids for 10 weeks. I'm absolutely loving the thickness of my hair. And as I said, I do have an announcement coming. So look out for that. I'm really excited about that. And it's designed for us to get maximum growth for the rest of the year. So look out for the announcement. But as you can see, my hair is transforming before your eyes. My hair is thicker, it's longer. I've got a lot of growth. I'm going to be measuring at the end of 12 weeks just how much growth it is, but I do believe I've got more than 2 inches already in a lot of places. So that's exciting. You can see there in the picture, quite a lot of growth just by being consistent and using something that's free, such as mini braids. I think I found a formula here and I'm going to be sticking with it. I'm really loving my hair, loving the growth. And although it looks really frizzy and I can't wear it out, that's by choice, because you could actually redo sections of the front, which I did at week 3. So I could really redo the front if I wanted it to look a bit better, but I want to stick for the most part to 12 weeks of keeping most of these in. And as I said, there will be an announcement after. So I've got a paper just showing you how much growth so you can see it clearly. So there you can see just how much growth you can get from wearing mini braids for 10 weeks. As I said, I've used virgin hair fertilizer and clove, which I'll be reviewing separately in videos. So look out for that. But if you wore your hair in just mini braids, keeping your scalp clean and maintaining it, you would have got a lot of growth for 10 weeks. Very, very pleased to have stuck to something that's so simple and really hair transforming from something that's so simple as mini braids. So there you have my 10-week mini braids updates. I also showed you a review of my Eco Styler conditioner, as well as showing you pre-poo does transform your hair, and also all the growth I've received after 10 weeks. I hope you enjoyed today's video and I will see you in my next one. Take care and bye-bye.